Hi, so today we're going to make some walnut brownies, and here's the ingredients that you need. So after we've turned our oven on to 180 degrees Celsius and we've gotten our baking tray ready, the next step is to melt our butter, which we have here. Then we're going to sieve our flour and cocoa. You can see you definitely need to sieve it because there's all these big bits. Next we're going to add our caster sugar. So next we're going to make a well in the middle of our mix. And into this we're going to put a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 lightly beaten eggs, and you're probably telling yourself that's 8 lightly beaten eggs, Loic, but I'm doing double batch. While we're waiting for the butter to melt, we can ground the walnuts. And blend until smooth.
One eternity later.
When your mix is smooth, you can stop beating it and add the walnuts. Fold them into the mix. So, bake for 25 minutes, let it cool for 10 minutes, and enjoy for an additional 5 minutes.